This is the worst intersection ever, and if you're from like Augusta, you know this. The light will turn red and people still go and block the whole freaking intersection. We just had like a big 18-wheeler block the whole intersection. I wish I would have gotten on film. I don't know why I didn't, but he was like blocking the intersection and people were just pissed. So I don't know why people do that. Like, that guy went when it was red. Just wait your turn until it turns green next time. I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? See my track going like we be going up on a fast band. We just see it go, talking about your lamp. And I put the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm so longer the I'm so longer the. Yes, the check engine light is on because, well, glow plug is out. Just got my morning coffee and I thought I'd share something with you guys. Fun fact, I used to go to a high school that's literally like 30 yards down the street. One day after soccer practice, I parked at this exact same parking spot, or parking spot. And back then I had a Honda Accord. It wasn't really my vehicle, I was just allowed to drive it as a transportation. That didn't have a backup camera, and to be honest, like, I was going to see my girlfriend at the time and I was reading her text messages and I backed into a big lifted truck. Long story short, my bumper needed to get replaced, my tail lights needed to get replaced, and my trunk needed to get replaced. That lifted truck didn't even have a single scratch. So that incident costed me like $2,000-$3,000 and I was grounded for like 2 months. I just wanted to share that with y'all because I was about to back up and flashback. It all came to me, but now I'm in a big lifted truck, so how the turntables. I don't know if I mentioned, but we're gonna go to dealer options today. Well, actually, we're already here. The reason why we're here is because they finished the 12-inch lift kit. Well, they already finished the lift kit. The wheels for the truck finally came in. They mounted the tires to the wheels, I think Friday, and they put it on the truck for a little bit. However, today we're not going to be able to see the final product because they put the stocks back on because they have to take it to get it aligned. So I still wanted to show you guys the wheels because they are the 26x14 RBP wheels and they're chrome. They're forged RBP with chrome finish. And from what I've heard, they just came out with these, but they discontinued them already because they've been working on those wheels for, it's been a couple months, and I think they just realized it wasn't worth it, and it just, I don't know, it's discontinued already from what I've heard. So let's go check it out. Are you guys ready? Just look at this. RBP Forged chrome 40x15 R26. Woo! These are 40s, same size tires as Dalton and Matt. These wheels are so big, they almost, they definitely make the tires look small. In a way, if you look at it from back here, it looks like 22s on 33s, the way the ratio is. And to show you how big these are, you can almost fit the stock Jeep wheels and tires inside the 26s. These look good. These are gonna look really good on the 12-inch lift. Personally, 26 is too big for me, but that's the trend nowadays, big wheels. But I would probably stick to like 24x14 at the most, like Dalton's, and maybe on 40s. Finishing up the Duramax tomorrow. They're doing minor stuff like brake lines and maybe minor trimming. So they're gonna put the wheels on the truck tomorrow, and I'll swing by then, some dronies, and get a complete video and show you guys what they look like. But for today's video, I did want to show you guys just the wheels because we've been waiting so long for these. But I gotta say, they do look good. RBP. Well, they're busy and I have to start making my way to work. So I will show you guys the truck tomorrow, I promise. This video is gonna go live tonight, and then tomorrow I will come here and film because I'm actually off tomorrow. So I'll come here and film, get some dronies, and maybe go over the truck a little bit more in detail. I wanted to show you guys the truck today. For those of you guys who are maybe new to this video or maybe new to this channel and maybe this is your first time stopping by. Yeah, so that thing is pretty sweet. I'm not gonna show you guys. Dealer Options posted pictures on their Facebook and Instagram. I'm not gonna show you guys what they look like. If you guys wanna see what it looks like, if you guys wanna see it, go check them out on Instagram. Dealer Options. Actually, I don't even think they posted on Instagram yet, but you can still go check it out and see if it's there by the time the video is live. But they're gonna finish everything up tomorrow, and then I'll be back here. So just stay patient with me, guys. I know you guys want to see it. I want to see it in person too. And one thing you guys may have noticed is that my Punisher decal is no longer there. And a lot of you guys have asked me, hey, what happened to the Punisher decal? I know you had it. The reason why I took it off was, first of all, the teeth on the Punisher was kind of starting to peel a little bit. And then the other reason is I just kind of sat back and looked at the truck, and I'm starting to like the idea of blacking out the truck, like murdering it out. When I first got it, you know, I wanted it to be all chrome, or not all chrome, but I wanted to have chrome because it's a Denali. You know, that's what makes Denali a little bit more unique than your SLT or your SLE package. You know, the lower trim vehicles have just either like black plastic or your standard maybe slightly color matched. But Denali has that chrome grille and then a little bit more chrome all over the vehicle that kind of makes it stand out just a little bit. And I like the idea of it. And then I don't know, I liked it for the first month I had this truck because, you know, it's a Denali. But now I'm starting to realize that I've always liked black vehicles to be just blacked out. So that's what I'm working on now, just trying to get rid of most of the chrome, and I might try to do it completely black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order like a black wrap, and we're gonna wrap the side panel, and then the mirror, and then the grille. And you may be wondering, why don't you just demold the molding on the side? Well, I did that on my last truck, and after I did it, it's a big truck. After I did it, there were like couple of dings that I saw, but over like 6-7 months of owning that vehicle, it added like 2 or 3 more dings. And it's amazing how much these molds of these the trim piece on the side can actually save your door from getting dings. And for example, like my roommate a couple days ago, he was opening his vehicle and I saw him actually touch the side of the door with his door, but my molding stopped it from actually, you know, putting a dent in the actual door. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, oh, just park really far away, you won't have to worry about it. I do, and it's just, I don't know what it is. It's just whenever I come back, there's cars around me. So I have this thing where I don't park next to minivans or anything that kind of looks like a soccer mom's vehicle. Mainly because I myself, when I was growing up, I used to see my friends like swinging the door open and hit the car next to it and didn't even realize they were hitting it. And like, I knew what they were doing because when I grew up, my uncle, you know, he's a car guy, and he used to like discipline me and say, hey, do not hit that car next to you, because it'll damage that car and my car. So like I was very cautious growing up, not, you know, hitting anybody's car when I was opening the door. But my friends, you know, they didn't grow up like that. It was just ignorance, lack of knowledge on their part. They weren't being rude. I mean, they weren't being inconsiderate on purpose. It was just the lack of knowledge. So that is why I don't park next to like a soccer mom or a minivan, because chances are it's most likely kids, and when they open the door, they just swing the doors open and hit the car next to it without even knowing that they did it. So that is why I will keep the little trim piece on the side, because I don't want any more door dings. I don't want any door dings on this truck. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I appreciate every single one of you guys stopping by. You guys are the best. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment something below, because it really helps with the algorithm. And also, thank you guys so much for 30,000 subscribers. I didn't think I would hit it this year, but I did. So you guys are awesome. Thanks for the support. I've been talking to Dalton about, me and Dalton, we've been talking about launching our, like, I guess apparel company. It's gonna be called the Dirty Max Mafia. We had an Instagram page that we ran together like last year, but we're gonna start fresh. We want to launch the website and the Instagram page in 2019, which is like a month away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make an Instagram page right here below, right here. I think we're gonna call it like Dirty Max Mafia. And we want you guys to follow us and stay tuned for the launch. We want to get at least, I don't know, a couple thousand followers before the launch. We're planning on launching early 2000, January 30th or something like that. We're gonna sell a lot of Dirty Max Mafia apparel, just a lot of, you know, Duramax stuff on there. So it's gonna be pretty cool. And we're gonna be selling them at like truck meets whenever we host them. So it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna have hats, t-shirts, and I might sell my turbo keychains on there as well. And I totally forgot to sell those at the last truck meet, so I have about 8 or 10 left. If you want them, DM me on Instagram and I can get you set up. They're about $15 plus $2 for shipping, so just hit me up. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys next time, or tomorrow actually. Peace.